Good morning, my dear students. We discuss here NCERT Math Class 7, Exercise 13.2, Question number second का part 3. We discuss here question number 5 का part 3. Simplify 3 का power 5, multiply 10 का power 5, multiply 25 upon 5 का power 7, multiply 6 का power 5. You write this 3 का power 5 5 times. And 10 का power 5, that means we write 10 5 times. And 25 is the same way. And 5 का power 7, that means 5 we write 7 times. And we write 6 का power 5, that means 6 5 times. So you see here, this 3 cancelled with 2 times, this 3 cancelled 6 2 times, this 3 also cancelled 2 times, this 3 cancelled with 2 times, and this 3 also cancelled with 2 times. तो you see here 5 के टेबल में ये 10 मिलेगा 2 टाइम, this 2 cancel with this 2, 5 के टेबल में ये 10 मिला 2 टाइम and this 2 cancel with this 2, 5 के टेबल में ये मिला 2 times and this 2 cancel with this 2, 5 table 10 and this 2 cancel with this 2, 5 के टेबल में ये मिला 2 times and this 2 cancel with this, and 5 5s are 25 and this 5 cancel with this 5 one time. So here we get 1. This is your answer. This question will solve in one another method. You see here second method. We discuss here second method. 3 का power 5 and this 10 we write to multiply 5 का power 5 and this 25 is right in the same way upon this 5 का power 7 into this 6 we rewrite to multiply 3 का power 5. So you see here 3 का power 5 and this is the power of this and this number have same power. So we write 2 का power 5 into 5 का power 5 into 5 का power 2. This 5 and this 5 will be 5 का power 2 and you see here 5 का power 7 multiply 2 का power 5 and here 3 का power 5. So this 3 का power 5 is cancelled with this, 2 का power 5 is cancelled with this, and we see here 5 का power 5 and 5 का power 2 we get 5 का power 5 plus 2 upon 5 का power 7. We get here 5 का power 7 upon 5 का power 7. This cancelled with one time. So our answer will be 1. Thank you.